It looks like the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra will be one of the most feature-rich flagships ever. For the S26 Ultra, Samsung has unveiled 6 stunning new color options: pearl white, phantom black, mint green, titanium gray, ice blue, and the opulent champagne gold. These hues are sophisticated, modern, and flawlessly complement the Ultra series' high-end vibe. The finish is neat, understated, and expertly done, and the rear cameras fit in perfectly with the body. With its incredibly thin bezels and flat 6.8 or 6.9-inch AMOLED display, the Galaxy S26 Ultra provides an unprecedented edge-to-edge experience. Despite having a huge 5000 mAh battery, this Ultra phone is one of the thinnest ever, measuring only 7.7 mm in thickness. Indeed, there is a significant increase in charging speeds. Even though the Galaxy S26 Ultra has the updated Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 chip, Samsung may maintain the device's price, but now there is relief thanks to reliable Weibo Leaker digital chat station. Technically, TSMC's improved 3M process costs the same as it did the year before. Another noteworthy news is that Samsung has started internal software development for the flagship, marking a significant advancement in the S26 Ultra's voyage. Through Tipster to Tower VAT, a new firmware build version, S948 USQ0AYG8, was just discovered on Samsung's OTAA server. The model number SMS948, which corresponds to Samsung's naming scheme for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, is associated with this software. According to early estimates, this is the initial build of One UI 8.5, which is based on Android 16 and signals the start of extensive internal testing. The 200-megapixel ISO HP2 sensor from the S24 and S25 Ultra is anticipated to be used again in the Galaxy S26 Ultra, although it will have a significantly better f/1.4 aperture. This may sound technical, but let me explain. Brighter, clearer, and cleaner images are produced when more light hits the sensor, particularly in dimly lit areas. Ice Universe claims that under different lighting circumstances, users can anticipate more detail, less noise, and fewer smears. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.